Does your home look like this? Does your mind feel like this? I assume you're looking for a decluttering solution and want to have a well-organized home and calm mind like this. You've come to the right class. These are actual before and after photos taken last year. Hi, my name is Yukiko Sato. I will show you exactly how I managed to sell 134 items of my friend's stuff, step by step through the process of selling them using Facebook Marketplace. While helping the planet at the same time, you will rid yourself of the scary feeling of decluttering your life. You will be amazed by how easy and enjoyable decluttering can be. I've been sharing organizing tips online since 2008. All my students felt much happier after taking my classes. I want you to be happier too. Are you ready for decluttering? Let's get started. See you inside the class.